Kadkhat ke yang darbar thau an ke Meghalaya ka ko ampari lingdo kalakan tho persya ya ka sarkar NPP kabal ajing ya palat put ya uai ukotang NPP ubaya kun hakanik election shiteng samai ban pendap ikilai telik syuki nang mi khmat sya ke yang darbar thau an.
Did we increase our securities in our homes? Did we defy? We never did it. So it is interesting to find that not all candidates have been given protection by this government in these by-elections. It's just a few candidates. One candidate particularly that I can see has been given this unnecessary coverage. So we don't know what their dealings are. Were there deals that went sour? We don't know. We don't know. Because we are not part of that government. But when we see that this deployment of force for one candidate has been so imbalanced, we are forced to talk about it. I am an MLA. Have you seen me walking around with an AK-47 PSO? PSO holding one AK-47 or 10 forces around me? You'll not see. So it's very interesting. Very interesting. I will not be your enemy unless I have done something to make you really angry. And what is that? Only they will know. If I have made you my enemy, I'll tell you for sure why you are my enemy today. But others will not know. Others around me will not know. So, what is 23 going to look like? Are all these NPP candidates going to be given this unnecessary security coverage? Who's going to pay for it? Who's paying for the security coverage at this point of time to this one person that I see? This is something which is distasteful. Now, if somebody has to reply to me and say why is this being done? Who's paying for that security? Haven't we all been threatened by someone or the other in our life? But do we resort to this demand for an undue protection? You're utilizing the services of the state. We need to ensure that if we do anything, we give a clear audit mandate to the public. So I really don't know what 2023 is going to be like, but I for one do not need any security. Because I go to my people with a promise to serve them. Not to be served, but to serve. So this is the interesting factor that I have seen in this by-election.